Hello, Dede.
Hello, good day, Madam and Sir. My name is, let me introduce myself. My name is Beverly Trinidad from Ahoy, Iloilo, Philippines. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I graduated my bachelor's degree and Bachelor of Science in Criminology at Ahoy. I have, we are five siblings. I have two brothers and two sisters. I have my only one son, and I'm living with my live-in partner. Thank you.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To help my family and to help for their future, for our future.
Mm. And if you come to Hong Kong to work, who will take care of your son?
Her father, my live-in partner, and my mother-in-law.
Mm. How long do you expect to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer want me to stay.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you love cooking?
Yes, I
Mm.
love cooking. I love cooking Filipino dishes, and I am willing to cook. I am willing to learn Chinese food.
Okay, thank
Thank you.
you.